Well, thank you guys for sending this to us, and expect your challenge to be done
epically.
It's just going to be done.
We're gonna put a twist on it.
You said no one's ever finished a cup of your hot chocolate. It's happening tonight.
Definitely happening.
We're going to leave it at that.
Hey, you guys.
What's going on, guys? Late for Work is here. We got more mail
A package.
from like father, like son. And don't skip. Make sure you check out this channel. They're good people. They're from Canada, and they do some spicy stuff. They do some chugs, food. They're like us, but it's a father and son. Good
Yeah,
people.
they like syrup in Canada.
Yeah. You guys like syrup?
Maple
I
syrup.
hope you like syrup. Yeah, let's get it. Open this box.
Oh, I might need to move my arm. Jeez!
Ow, cut myself. Smarties. Chocolate. Chocolate Smarties.
There's a lot of plastic in here.
Yeah. All right. Got some chips. Ketchup chips.
Ooh.
All right. Some ketchup chips.
Ruffle all dressing. Oh, is that
You got
what
that?
it's saying? No, I don't. Ass.
A lot of ass.
Sazimi's.
This is that hot chocolate challenge that they have. Guys.
Oh,
Is it leaking a little bit?
I think.
Well, we should probably put it back
Put it back in the.
in these mugs. Look at that, guys. That's exciting.
Oh,
That's exciting.
that is awesome.
Oh, this one's yellow inside, and that one's black. Heck yeah. Ooh. Oh, it just sprayed all over me. Oh, boy. What else we got in here? More candy? Coffee crisps. I don't even know what these are.
Well, oh, there's more.
Crispy Crunch? Is that like a Butterfinger?
It
Or
looks
the
like
Crunch
it-
Bar? It's that Crunch Bar thing, too.
I don't think the Crunch
It
Bar
looks like a Butterfinger.
has like the Rice Krispie style in it.
Here. Open up one of those and try it.
I'll open up this one and try it.
Yeah?
I'll try.
Why? Why you gotta do that?
I'll try that one with you, but yeah, grab the scissors.
I hurt my wrist.
Pull one out for you and one out for me.
Oh, yeah. Coffee Crisp
Oh,
from Canada?
apparently, if you cut off the top, it don't cut open the top.
Oh. That's good. Oh, man. That doesn't taste like coffee at all.
I'm about to let you know. For those who don't know, they're about to know.
You don't like coffee at all.
Mmm. Delicious.
It's really not that much coffee.
I tasted it immediately.
And this one's the Crispy Crunch.
Yeah. Cheers. Coffee.
Cheers and Crispy Crunch.
What?
That's not really a Butterfinger.
No. This is more like a payday.
No, Paytay's got actual nuts in it.
I had a bar that's similar to this. What is it?
What the heck? This
I
is
could
good.
cook that all day.
I don't know, they don't say what it's supposed to be in America. That's good though.
How do we not have these in America? They're made by Cadbury. We got their eggs all the time.
Yeah, just the eggs. There's all kinds of Cadbury stuff over in England that we don't get. A ton. kind of curious on this. Is it just like?
I'm ready to try these. I've never had this.
Oh, okay, little box.
Look at that little box. Chocolate covered Smarties.
I guess. Doesn't really say.
Well, no, they're kind of like
It
M&Ms.
says candy coated milk chocolate. Yeah, that's what I was saying. They look like M&Ms on there. But Smarties?
They probably have that sweet Smartie taste.
Cheers.
These are M&Ms.
What?
I'm curious. Do Canadians not have M&Ms?
Doesn't exactly taste like M&M. But it's got the same like texture.
Yeah.
Kind of. It's kind of good. It's not as sweet as M&M's.
No. I was expecting it to be like Smartie coated.
That's good. I kind of like that.
I like that. It kind of reminds me of the M&M minis, which I like better than the M&Ms.
Yeah. Kind of. But it's not as sweet or
You can
chocolate.
have that chocolate crisp if you want.
I'm going for the ketchup, I guess. Even though I don't like ketchup.
I like ketchup, but I don't like ketchup on my chips. What is it? Does it smell like
It smells
ketchup?
sour. Like sour vinegar ketchup.
Oh, that smells like
The bottle.
ketchup that's been sitting out all day.
In the bottle.
Yeah. I'm going for a second.
It's kind of good.
It is.
In a way. It's kind of good.
It's
Oh.
It's strangely good.
I think this is something I can sit there and eat.
Now these. What brand is that? Is that Ruffles too?
There's the Lay's.
At least the
Kind of like that, but
Go ahead. Kind of smells like a barbecue chip to me.
ranchy
Yeah.
at the same time.
Wait a second. This is literally all dressing. I taste barbecue, I taste sour cream and onion.
That's interesting.
With,
Because it ends up being like salty.
Mhm.
Like really salty in the end. Well, that one didn't.
Made in Canada.
Yeah. Interesting. Alright.
I think ordering a case of them is worth paying the shipping to Canada.
Huh.
I could eat these all day long.
I don't know. It was all pretty good.
Except for the coffee.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys for sending this to us, and expect your challenge to be done.
Epically.
It's just going to be done.
We're gonna put a twist on it.
You said no one's ever finished a cup of your hot chocolate. It's happening tonight.
Definitely happening.
We're going to leave it at that. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you check out Like Father, Like Son. Drop a pepper and a purple heart if you watch their video. That just pretty much says that you came from us.
Pepper and a purple heart.
Yup. Just a little pepper.
That also shows us you actually care and you did it, because
And you watched all the way through this video.
if we see the pepper and purple heart, we go, it came from us.
Yup. So, like, share, sub share. Till next time, guys.
Until next time. These are good.